Hi, my name is Kim Rodgers. I'm the Biomedical Sciences teacher at Mountain Ridge High School. This program introduces students to not only your traditional bioscience jobs, doctor, nurse, surgeons, things like that, but expands it into every level of bioscience you can imagine. Students step into the roles of these professionals, learn about the path individuals have taken to get there, and perform hands-on activities while solving real-world scenarios and problems to help them develop critical and analytical thinking skills that they can take beyond our classroom into whatever career they choose.
My name is Savar Sharma. I'm a senior at Mountain Ridge High School and I'm part of the Biomedical Sciences program. I've been in the program for all 4 years and I've really enjoyed my time. The most important thing that I've learned from her is how to prioritize everything. She always puts her students first, and that's the kind of person that I want to be.
Hi, my name is Ethan Best, and currently I am a Midwestern student at the Arizona College of Osteopathic Medicine. Looking back on my time at Ms. Rodgers' class, it really was very pivotal when I went into Midwestern. Just today, we were talking about different types of DNA recombinant techniques, really groundbreaking research that we talked about in Ms. Rodgers' class. You know, in medical school, you get a ton of information thrown at you, but that was a couple less things that I needed to know because I already knew it in my time at high school. A lot of the lab techniques and stuff that they had to teach people how to use micropipettes, they had to teach people how to do like smears on a agar plate, and it really set me up for success.
As a career and technical education program, it is vital that we continue to offer programs like biomedical science and bioscience in the high schools. It not only helps students understand what's available, but helps them fine-tune their interest and skills. And as our students have said, it's preparing them for what they will do in secondary and beyond. We've been fortunate in the 12 plus years of having this program to develop some really great industry partners within the Valley, not only having guest speakers and field trip experiences with Grand Canyon, partnerships with TGen, Midwestern, and other industries throughout the state. We utilize not only the Maricopa County Superintendent's Office industry spotlight videos, we utilize the Mayo Clinic career spotlight videos throughout the year, and it gives students many more opportunities to learn about them, along with the career connections built into the Project Lead the Way curriculum.
Hi, my name is Kristen Kaus, and I'm the Manager of Education Outreach at TGen. Kim has done an amazing job of bringing in partnerships to her classroom to elevate the community connection for her students. By providing speakers, presentations, tours, the students are able to see themselves in these jobs where otherwise, without these partnerships, they wouldn't know that they're available.
Several students have participated in TGen's Leadership Academy over the years. We've had students apply and earn Flynn Scholar status in the past as well. So fortunately, Arizona has a great wealth of opportunities for students to learn and hopefully remain in Arizona when they become professionals.